Hello everybody, this is Alex from KeenOnTheMarket.com with your Friday, June 15th market recap video. First thing I want to talk about is the little bullish breakout we had today. Yesterday we talked about possible bull flag here in this zone. We actually didn't really break out per se. We just kind of creeped up all day long, and the dollar was kind of sliding, so the money pump was really pushing risk on assets until we break this giant bearish engulfing bar. I'm really not convinced. You can see we're still stuck in between these moving averages. The 150-day moving average is up here at 1355.30, and so we're kind of just sitting and waiting. The candlestick chart's a little bit more interesting. We're kind of coming up into what I call the void. It's pretty much my favorite point to go short certain formations. It's basically an under test of the Kumo cloud, Ichimoku cloud. We're currently sitting at 50% retracement of the March high, down to the June 4th low. So a 618 would be a 1354, and I'm not going to step in front of any runaway trains, but I'm definitely looking for possible weakness here and possibly re-entry for another leg down in the stock market. Let's take a look at Euro. We got a big weekend with this Greek stuff going on. Right now the move on Monday or Tuesday is anybody's guess. I would actually be a betting man and say that the trend is down, and so I would expect the move to be further to the downside. Who knows how the elections will really affect the euro, but Greece needs to get out either way. Otherwise, their economy will pretty much never recover. Taking a look at crude, it looked like we finally tapped that bottom here. We're still kind of bumping around. We haven't really shown too much conviction to the buy side, just kind of a lack of selling. So I'm really just looking for a little bit more formation or pattern to tell me that this might be the actual bottom. If we start breaking above this 86.40 level, it might become a little bit more interesting. But you can see the trend is pretty wicked to the downside. So any rally, in my point of view, should be sold on the medium term. Let's go over the last chart. Gold's getting really close to a buyout point, at least for me on my trading system. I'm trying to be really patient here to see if it gets a little bit of legs to the upside, break through this 160 level on the GLD. If there's any pullback after breakout, it's definitely going to be the best point, in my point of view, to possibly get long. And so you'll see me probably get really aggressive in some gold stocks, maybe GLD, maybe double GLD ETFs or whatnot. So that's it for your weekend recap. Again, if you would like to test drive the trading room, please email sales@KeenOnTheMarket. And have a good weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday.